We have some new family members joining our farm. They're on their way. My wife just went and picked them up. So I'm going to show you what is ahead of us, and as you can see, this is a dam on the farm, and it's totally overgrown and full of algae. Oh. Sammy! Kom Buffalo. There's a flax bush right there, and then behind it is an island. There's an island there. Everybody is happy to see the new family arrivals. Just listen to the buffalo, how she's barking. So the new arrivals are here. So we're just gonna offload them now.
Okay, what is in these boxes?
Begin weer.
Where's the babies? Where's the babies? Where's the babies?
All right.
That is our new pets.
I didn't think they will be this lively. So we're gonna take the 4 boxes down there. So here goes the new family members. Sammy, come. Okay. They are beautiful. They are beautiful. Hey, hello. Okay. All right, babies. And that's the 4 babies. Just would like to say thank you for your support, and the buffalo says thank you as well. you can hear the dogs bark and the buffalo because she grew up with the dogs. If the dogs bark, she barks. I've got a video of that as well on my channel. Yeah, so she barks and they bark. Just thank you again for your support. I've got more videos on this side, and please do subscribe, leave a comment and share, and please help grow this channel. Thank you.